loves, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make some Jamaican brown stew chicken. So guys, I went ahead and I already seasoned my chicken. So in the bowl I have some pepper, regular hot scotch bonnet pepper, I have some bell pepper, carrot, onion, some dried thyme leaf, and scallion. Now I'm seasoning it with the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm also gonna add some garlic powder, and some black pepper. Now I'm gonna use my browning, and this is a Grace browning. So now I'll be rubbing all that season in, just making sure that everything is well coated. And yes, I'm using my hands. I'm Jamaican, honey. The devil is a lie. I won't be using no spoon rubbing anything in. Okay, all right. So now guys, I'm just gonna add some oil in my Dutch pot, yes, until it's well heated. Okay, so now guys, I'm adding my chicken to that pot, and I'm just gonna let that brown a little bit, and I'm gonna stir it just so it doesn't stick to the pot, just for a little bit. Then I'll be popping back that lid on, and I'm just gonna let it make its own water. Okay, so now guys, for my sides I'm making some cornmeal dumpling, and for the cornmeal dumplings only flour, cornmeal, and salt, and you're just gonna add water just to form it into a dough. Then you'll be forming that dough and placing it in boiling water. Then after it starts to float, it's ready. Okay, but that's not the only thing guys. I'm just gonna accompany that with some corn, pumpkin, and carrot. I love boiled carrots, so yeah. So now guys, I'm adding my seasoning to my chicken, and I'm just gonna give that a good stir and just let it reduce for a bit. Okay y'all, so now that the water has reduced for a little bit, I'm just gonna add my ketchup, which is the final step, and I'm just gonna give that another good stir. Yes, and I'm just gonna pop that layer on and just let it reduce one last time for about 5 minutes. Okay, and yeah, this is our good old Jamaican brown stew chicken guys. And there you have it guys, my Jamaican brown stew chicken. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post a new videos guys. Thank you once more for stopping by, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Oh, one more thing, go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Love you guys, bye. Mwah.